Good morning, KENTO NINJaZ. Guys, today this is Disaster Cooking 101 KENTO NINJaZ. I'm going to teach you, okay, how to make coffee drink. But this is different from any other drinks that you have. Okay, we are going to have a different ingredients on this. So we have here mineral water, okay, Nature's Spring Mineral Water, official sponsor of the KENTO NINJaZ Ninja Wrappers. We also have another ingredients. We have Energen, okay, Champion, or you can use Nescafe coffee, any coffee brand that you like, okay. And we also have the most important ingredients of this is the black pepper ground powder. This is powder black pepper, guys. Now you know. So this is a different kind of drink in which you can have a taste for this. It is so different. You just put a little bit of this pepper into the water. Okay. And it depends upon how you like it. If you like it more hot and spicy, it's up to you. Okay, then later on you put of course, the coffee or any drinks that you like. Whether Nescafe coffee, twin pack, use that, okay? So pour it in, okay? Mix it all together along with the pepper and have this sumptuous drink. Very delicious. You haven't tasted it. What I like most about this drink is that it really smells like pepper and it tastes like pepper, but then it also tastes coffee. So with this, okay, you can already make this drink. Just shake it out. Shake it out. And voila. We have now this drink. Alongside with hot and spicy noodles. You like to eat hot and spicy noodles, guys? I made this myself. I put some other ingredients on this, like chichurria. Okay? Any kind of chichurria you like to taste and to eat. Have a sumptuous and delicious meal, yes, for today, with a delicious drink of this pepper coffee. I call this pepper coffee. Okay? Hope you like this, guys. Do it now. You can do it yourself and have a taste of different kinds of flavors. Okay, it's up to you. We are to KENTO NINJaZ. See you once again to Disaster Cooking KENTO NINJaZ. Stay tuned for more.